Have you ever realized that your dining table is actually, horror of horrors, being used as a dining table? And that means you're going to have to cut your fabric out on the floor. But dry those tears, we're going to find out the easiest and smoothest way to do this, because my knees on my back aren't set up like they used to be. If you're cutting out on a hard floor, make sure that you sweep or hoover prior, just so that you haven't got any debris underneath your fabric. Most importantly now, to save our backs and our knees, we're going to gather all the tools we need straight from the start. You're going to get your needle wheel, your scissors, your rotary cutter, your pattern weights, your pins, your carbon, your rulers, everything you're going to need, we're going to gather up all at once. Here's the secret weapon, knee pads. If you find your knees get painful like mine, this is going to sort that out. If you're cutting on carpet, you're going to need a cutting mat to protect your flooring, and that'll give you a smooth surface to work from, because obviously carpet is not level. Buy the largest cutting mat that you can afford. If you're cutting on a hard floor, you might be able to get away without using a cutting mat, but remember, you're going to have to use scissors and not your rotary cutter, or else you're going to cut and damage your floor. When you finish working on the floor, please be careful you haven't left any pins behind, particularly if you've been working on carpet, because they're hard to see, but you'll find out soon enough when you tread on them. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, you know what to do. Likes, follows, subscribes, telling a friend, it's all gratefully received around here and gives me the encouragement to keep going. Until we meet again, sew something sensational, and if you're working on the floor, remember that back and those knees.